With Shiphonyer, you can create a freeform shape panel. To do so, first go to the Shiphonyer tab, select the Create Module command, and choose the Create New Panel option. Set the name to Freeform, and click the Create button. This creates a new assembly called Freeform, and inside it, a part named Wooden Part 1. Double-click on the part, and select Start 2D Sketch. We will use the XY plane. And here, we will create a simple profile for the panel. You can use the same standard sketching methods you normally use in Inventor. For example, set this dimension to 45 centimeters. This side can be 15 centimeters. And on the other side, set the dimension to 20 centimeters. Now use the spline tool to close the profile and create the curved shape. Click Finish to complete the sketch. Here we have our shape. To create the panel from it, use the Extrude Panel command. Select the profile. Give the panel a name. For this example, let it be Panel. Choose the material and its thickness. Here it will be 18 mm chipboard. And select the design, perhaps Fossil Rosa. Set the texture rotation to a long width. For the texture to be oriented vertically, click the Extrude button. And here is our panel. On one side you can see the applied texture, while the other side is white. At this stage, there are no edge bands applied to the panel. For that, Shiphonyer's Add Edge Bands command is used.